O Tobago do if. Ben a go do if in easy, even if you have an near perfect husband. Tobago do if, you have to be able to communicate effectively, to keep your romance alive, and to be your husband best friend while maintaining your own identity. If you want to know how to do it, just follow the steps. Communicate effectively. Express your feeling and aid effectively. Your husband est un clairvoyant power. If you want something, ask. If something livrant, say so. Don't drop into figure comme around or you'll never get anything done. If you want to be able to express how you feel, you should be able to speak with a positive tone and to listen to what your husband say instead of being accusatory. There are some ways to do it. Send a message. Instead of accusing him of not meeting your need, focus the conversation on yourself. For instance, tell him, if he ignored when he don't see you until 6h30 every night. Listen to what say. When tell you something, repeat what said back to him so that you understand. For example, he hear you saying that you're worried about finance, and how you've been working a lot. Avoid passing judgment. Let him finish what he's saying before you respond. After done talking, offer a solution. For instance, say, I'm willing to live on a tight budget if t'amant jet to see you more often. Pick your battle. Some issues are hard fighting about, en summer. If you spend a lot of your time picking your husband about minor problem that don't really matter, then he no going to listen to you when major issue come up. Criticism can destroy a relationship. Allons at discharge clean en une broken, for instance, don't nag your husband about to let dishwash it right way. Let him do it in your own way. Don't sweat small stuff. Avoid criticizing your husband with to do it constructively. Remember to try to be calme en rationnel, a strong motion quand easily turn a discussion into en argument. If you criticize every little thing then will kick it in you out. You should praise your husband for thing the right much more than you argue with him about it devront. It will make him much more likely to listen to you, and much happier to be around you. Be understanding when you discuss an issue with your husband. Fight right. Don't let it take away because it may cause you to something that you will regret later. Even when you don't agree with your husband, you need to respect your opinion et viewpoint. Tobago do if, you need to understand that you may never agree on certain issues. No couple are an identical set of moral and belief, which meant both of you will need to learn to cope with occasion or you just can resolve your opinion. Talk to him at the right time. Don't just spring your problem on him envy. Avoid bringing a problem before dinner. Will he paying a bill or when he immersed in a stressful situation, like fixing a problem with your car. En effet, invest an argument in front of your children, 1. When you're wrong, admit it. You need to learn to respond to argument en remain rational so you can recognize and apologize when you've made a misstep. Talk to your husband, no about him. Never talk to your friend or your family and say negative thing about your husband if you're no communicating with him first. Talking about your husband behind back is disloyal. When you get married, your first loyalty is to your partner, not to your birth family or your social group. Complaining about your husband to your friend and family will not only no solve any of your problem, but it will also make them view your relationship in a more negative light. Your friend and family may think know best for you, but they don't know your relationship avec you and may unintentionally give you bad advice. Be accepting. Have a realistic expectation. Neither of you are perfect. Une expectation tend to frustrate everyone. If your expectations are truly too high or unrealistic, then you need to set standards that are obtainable. For example, it is unfair to expect lavish possession of the love of your life home for every male. If you want more to get time, then be prepared to have ta désir fulfill à some expense. Remember nos relations si perfect. If you expect to get along with your husband happy 100% of the time, it won't work out for you. Have a realistic financial expectation, too. Maybe you and your husband are far along financially you hoped you be 5 or 10 years down the line, that's perfectly normal. Work on appreciating what you do have instead of expecting more. Don't try to change your husband. Accept him and let him know that you would never want him to change in any way for you. As so much to offer you if only you give him the space to be yourself. He a growing individual, just like you are. Love him for WHOI, and he'll love you unconditionally in return. Accept that you and your husband are not the same person. On always the world same way that you do, and that good thing. Ben oui te someone WHOI saint exactly like you will make your relationship riche. There are difference between asking your husband to clean up more around to and making him become hiking fanatic when at to the door. You can ask him to improve in different area, but you can force him to like all of the same thing you do. Roll with the change. You will experience Christ GT. From the loss of a job to death of a parent. You may suffer financial hardship, or you may find yourself unexpectedly wealthy unsure of what to do. Your marriage can survive the change if you are willing to keep communicating and being flexible. There are some things to keep in mind and you learn to accept change. Remember that whatever change happen, you and your husband are dealing with them at time, no appeal on opposite side of a battle. Dealing with the change to get make them much more manageable. Roll with the change in your love life. To you and your husband must be passionately in love, don't get disappointed if they want to make love every night or to kiss you 20 times daily did when you were newlywed. You can still keep your love strong with wanting it to be exactly the same it was when you first go married. Roll with the change with your body. To you may work hard to stay fit and healthy, you have to accept that your 50-year-old self probably has felt your 25-year-old self, en taoka. Accept that having children change a relationship. You and your husband relationship will undoubtedly change and evolve so you bring kid into equation. T2 et un man it change for divorce. But it will mean that you will be spending a lot of your free time focusing on your kid instead of EOT. Accept that it will change your relationship and work to make it thrive in your way. To help the transition, work to get to spend time with the kid, when you can, instead of isolating yourself by taking a turn. Find you fun activity that all family can do to get to help you and your husband stay strong as you raise your kid. Strengthen your relationship by acting a unity from with your husband. You should agree on not to raise and discipline your kid so that you don't get into good cop and bad cop mode and position yourself against it when it's time to control your children. Accept your mutual mistake. If you want to be accepting a wife, then you have to be able to accept your husband mistake and to sincerely respect apology for doing something wrong. Allons à it de un compromise you in a big way. If you hold a grudge too long, you won't be able to appreciate the good in your husband, so it's best to accept the apology, talk about on upset you again in the way, and move forward instead of harboring resentment about the past. Accept your own mistake, too. Don't be so focused on being perfect with that you can admit when you're wrong. Admitting when you're wrong will help both of you grow a couple. Be a good companion. May your husband need with to compromising your own. If need more sex, then open your mind to the possibility. If need him with a friend or team to pursue a hobby, then don't be possessive. Help happy, and help grateful to you for your respect. You should may need, or at least some of them, we to do anything that feel uncomfortable to you. If you want more sex, then consider having more sex with him, or think about it de appeal to you. If a missing item out with the boy, let him have a boy night at a girl night of your own. If you want him to pursue hobby, let him take the team. Elle grow a person from doing your thing, and he will benefit your relationship. Be your husband best friend. Develop through intimacy and conditional acceptance. Demonstrate a willingness to be vulnerable, and be confident a your relationship can withstand conflict. Enjoy your shared history and your inside joke. For him article you not find interesting or just see with him in companionable silence. Even your silence with volume when your marriage is strengthened by true friendship. You should maintain a meaningful friendship so your life is full of love and loyalty. At the end of the day, your husband should be the person you turn to. And to be the person your husband at most with instead of his best friend or his favorite uncle. You should be a go-to person, with a need a good log or a good cry. Create shared dream. Never the sight of the dream you share. With your dream include retiring to a warm climate or taking a trip abroad for your 20th anniversary. Embrace your dream, talk about them and take steps to make them happen. If you and your husband dream don't intersect, then you'll be creating a rift at you bottom of further toward your goal, or if one of you do un jet or chewan. 2. ILT to have your own dream along with your husband, but you should make certain none of your dream are completely in conflict. Even if your shared dream are lofty, you still need to talk about them to keep your passion alive. Make time for romance. Make time for that night. No matter how busy you are, how stressful your job is, or how many kids you have, you need to make time to spend a romantic evening with your husband. If you don't have kids, for once a week, and if you do, try to squeeze in a date on every 2 weeks or how often you can. To get sound corny, dressing up en goin sommet ornis en spécial quand renave your romantic connection en give you a breath of fresh air away from your home. Your date night de have to be romantic a lit made. You can go bowling, play mini golf, or even go for a night run to GT. Just do whatever you can to connect and spend some time to GT. Schedule sex into your life. You may felt a sex a to be spontaneous. But if you don't add it to your schedule, you may start to neglect it. Oui, toute frequent intimate acceptance en love ta come from your lovemaking, a person can become dissatisfied, grumpy, and ultimately suffer from feeling of rejection and even danger. Remember lovemaking give en intimacy and physical roles that are vital for both of you. In most relationship, a partner a different need and expectation regarding the frequency of physical intimacy. Fin a happy medium with your husband. Couple WHO fait responsible for meeting the need of their love and to be in their relationship. Kiss passionately. After a while, you make do with a peck lip instead of with full on French kissing. Make it a goal to share a list on 6 second kiss with your husband a day, or every morning and night, even if you don't have more time for intimacy tanta. You don't want your husband to think that kissing you in no different and dutifully kissing his children, the passion should still be pressing your kiss. When you do make love, don't go straight to sex. Make sure that kissing is an integral part of your lovemaking. Y for replay. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sex. Ban television set, laptop and work-related material. Your bedroom should be dedicated to sleep and sex. If you bring in your children to the nightly news, or extra work you have to do, then you won't think of your bedroom as special and sacred place. Maintaining an area of the house for sleep and sex will make your love, and lovemaking, feel more special and vital to your relationship. 4. You and your husband can work together to remove irrelevant item from your bedroom. It can also turn into a fun couple activity.